Alright guys, got my 30 packs of Hidden Arsenal 2 here. Start by opening these 3 packs of Tactical Evolution. So let me just push these up a little bit so we can see. And I'll get right into it. So first pack of Tactical Evolution. Focus on the cards. Chrysalis Chicky, Counter, Phantom Cricket, Nex, Grass Chopper, Alien Shock Trooper, Reverse Aeneas, Gravitic Orb, and Ambush Fangs. Grass Chopper was the rare. Second pack, and my phone is ringing, so just ignore that. Dark Effigy, Hero Counterattack, Venom Snake, Venom Swamp, Fifth Hope Super, Venom Shot, King Pyron, Creature Seizure, and Alien Shock Trooper. And the last pack of Tactical Evolution. Damage equals Reptile is the rare. I pretty much got the same commons in all 3 packs. So out of the 3 free packs that I got a super. It's not really that good of a super, but some E-Hero card. So yeah, it's pretty decent. I didn't really expect to get anything out of that, but happy. So I'll now get on to the Hidden Arsenal packs. So basically, I bought the 3 boxes of Special Edition. They were like $40 each. So basically, I get 30 packs of each Hidden Arsenal 1, 2, and 3 for $120. So you figure, just for like a booster box of Hidden Arsenal 1, it's like 36 packs, it's like $130 maybe. So I'm basically getting all of these for free and the promos. These and Hidden Arsenal 3 with like $6 extra. So yeah, I'll just get into these. Ally of Justice Field Marshal, Fable Kashano. Sounds pretty decent. Secret to start on. Geogenics. Arsenal 2 is kind of meh. It's like probably one of the cheapest sets that is out right now. With like Rise of, I don't even know what it's called. Fabled Galibus. Pretty good card. But yeah, I think it's like $40 for a box. So Materia Leodrake, Drac Bellow, Materia Vein, and Ally Mind. Not really gonna have enough room to put all these secrets, but I'll try. Fifth pack. Durac Tyrannus, it's pretty good. Worm Queen. Any worm card I just shiver at. This is a good secret. Miss Valley Thunderlord. My cat is scratching at my door, so after this pack I'm gonna go let him in. Oh, and another Miss Valley Thunderlord. I'm not too disappointed that I got 2 of those. I'm gonna go let my cat into my room real quick. Alright, get right back into it. Gen X Solar, pretty decent. Fabled Kashano, Materia Beetle, Already like running out of room. Mist Valley Apex Avian. Worm Queen. Table Kushano. Just reading the card real quick. Probably one of the top cards in the set, Lorne. I don't know how much it sees play, but it's one of the most expensive cards, and it's only like $5, I think, at most. Geogenics, Pilgrim, Worm Opera, and Cherry Rock, and Genix Furnace. But so basically, when I'm done opening these, and another Geogenics, I'm gonna stop this, make a part 2. Part 2 will be in Arsenal 3, and then stop after I'm done those. Make part 3, which will be Hidden Arsenal 1. So, if you'd like to just see Hidden Arsenal 1, because it has all the best cards in it, feel free. But I'm just opening these just so everyone can watch if they want, so you don't have to sit through a 40-minute video. We got Ally of Justice, can't even read it, Cosmic Gateway, Fabled Lurie, Maturia Leo Drake, so getting down there in packs. Let's say we're about halfway through, a little under. Third Worm Queen. Third Mist Valley Thunderlord. And you know what that picture is? Looks like some Chimera dude. Jirak Giganato, pretty good secret. Cat's sitting there watching me. He hears all the packs opening. He's like, ooh. Windmill Genix. I've never even seen that card before, to be honest. I can do Lorne. Pretty badass looking tiger. A Cosmic Gateway again. Genix Army, that looks pretty cool. I don't know how good the card is. I've never even seen that one before. I just have this massive pile of cards. Oh, look, another Genix Army. Maybe I shouldn't compliment the looks of cards, so I don't get them twice in a row. Thunder Armor. Mist Valley Thunderlord, 4th. Kushano. Maturia Guardian. So we have 4 packs left. Same. Going through these 30 packs like crazy. Shanix Army. Three packs left. Giraffe Giganato. I'm kind of just skimming through the commons because I'm trying to save some time since this is going to be like, could have been a super long video. So, Warm Queen, Drac Velo, and our last pack. So let's see what we have. Fabled Galabus. That's a pretty good secret to end the box on. Not the box, well, I guess it wasn't a box, but it's not a box anymore. So Fabled Galabus. So I'll just do a quick recap at the end of all 3 videos. So look forward to part 2 of Hidden Arsenal 3. These are all from the special edition. I have all the 30 special edition cards, so yeah, look forward to it. See ya.